All right, drink we're about to make is called Roadkill. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass. And we'll measure out 1 shot of tequila. And follow that up with 1 shot of cinnamon schnapps. And 1 Canadian whiskey. And we're going to go and shake these up. Nothing like a nice liquid chilled Roadkill. All right. We've got our glass. Let's go ahead and pour it in. And feel free to garnish this with a squirrel pancake or a dead possum. And we'll garnish it with a cherry. And also, if you want to, you can use cola for a chaser. Should go down nicely and mix well with all the ingredients in the Roadkill. Bottoms up.